After completing the installation, we will create a notebook and load an example data using RMSP. First, create or select the directory to contain the files for the project. I will use this one. Copy that directory and paste it on the RMS Python prompt. Type cd, paste that, hit enter, and now type Jupyter Lab, hit enter, and this will open the Jupyter Lab interface. Now click here to open a new notebook, and this creates a new cell. Make sure to have the auto close brackets and say widget stay automatically active. Now let's import RMSP. To execute the cell, you can press Shift plus Enter or hit or click this button. Now let's activate RMSP. We can also type rmsp.support to see the packages or libraries being used. Let's import some data now. Let's type comps equal to rmsp.load, and you can hit tab to see the autocomplete function and then hit enter to select the desired one. Now I will call it, and it's called copper composite. Shift enter to run it, and we will check this using the function check value range. Now if you press Shift tab here, you can see the arguments available for this function. I will change the chunk size to 12 and hit Shift enter. So we can see the statistics of the continuous variables and the codes of the categorical variables. Let's take a look to the copper values in 3D. Type comps.view3D, and now the name of the variable you want to see. Hit enter, and this will display the 3D view. We can also see this as interval data, so I'm going to change using to interval data. And let's look this from the east. Let's look it from the north. To see all the shortcuts available, you can click here, and these were the shortcuts I was using. Now let's add a CDF plot. Just type this line, comps.cdf plot, and put the variable you want to see. Shift enter, and this is the result. You can say your notebook with any desired name here. I'm just gonna write test. This concludes this tutorial.